Hey, hey, hey! Hello everyone! My name is Marzhan and this is my video blog. Today I'm gonna show you my typical day in 42 Prague. Let's go! Look at this building! Yeah! This is an epicenter of the future world-class software engineers, even though they are not aware of it yet. 1, 2, 3 and going straight to the coding. The black hole won't wait. Look at these beautiful arms of a model. Thanks, you son. Coding and chatting about the coding with my comrades. Duh. Attending the introduction to Womb Discovery PC event. And this is not the last for today, because usually every day there are lots of different types of events on campus. For example, this one is about 3D printer. That was very fascinating. At the end, you rock. Hi Sol! Checking on the girls from the new PC, and I think they enjoy it as much as I do, because this is the best place to learn coding so far, in my honest opinion. I mean, look at all of these people. Everyone is going through the same challenge as you do, learning to code pretty much from the scratch, and it is very important that you are surrounded by the supportive, friendly and kind community of people. And luckily this is the case of 42 Prague, and I must say I love these guys. Look at these beauties. Look at them. I think I wouldn't get this far if they weren't there, and I'm grateful for 42 Prague, not only for providing such an opportunity of getting high-class education for free, but also for building a network of interesting and like-minded people. And I think this is something which you cannot miss once you find it. Yeah. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to meet you here one day. Bye!